Hello everyone. Again, I'm here with one of your questions, a very important question asked by many of you, how to make effective notes. So before starting the video, I just want to tell you that this is for maybe all the subjects, specifically for biology, for all the classes that starts, from any grade to, starts from 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. So it's for all that how to make effective notes. Watch the video till the end because I'm going to give you some important tips and tricks, plus I'll also show you some sample notes which you can refer or you can see and make your notes accordingly. Okay ji, so without wasting time, we'll start. Before starting, again, the ones who have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel, and the ones who have subscribed, please share the channel as much as you can. So we'll start now. First of all, the main thing about notes is that it makes your revision easy. Studying is something else, learning is something else, but when you are revising, you don't have to go through the whole book again. So the notes make the thing easy for you. Second thing, there are two ways in which notes can be made. One is you take a separate notebook and make your notes in it. Second is you prepare your notes in the book itself. I'll tell you about both, but I personally feel that making the notes in the book are more effective. Okay, but I'll tell you both ways because there are some children who prefer making notes in a separate notebook. So now when you are making your notes, we'll start with the book thing. If you are making your notes in the book, why is it important? Because in the book there are multiple things. While you are making the notes, maybe something is missed. So you have everything at one place. You don't have to take up the book and then the notes wala notebook and then study. So you have everything at one place in one book. How do you make the notes for the in a book? In the book, suppose there is a page, fine, and you want to make notes for it. I'll talk about how to make the notes as well, but yes, if you want to make the notes for that page, just take a post-it, maybe a post-it. This is a ruled one. We have these in the market also, which are plain. So you can have a post-it, paste it on the page, and then write the important pointers, whatever you want to from that page. Okay? This is one way. Second is you can make your notes maybe in a separate A4 page and then staple or paste it in the page wherever the notes, for whatever page the notes are. And when we start in a notebook, obviously we start with a proper heading and then the pointers. Now when we make the notes, please read the page from top to bottom. All the pointers of the page should be read from top to bottom, and whatever you feel important, make a star mark or an arrow or a star mark and then write those pointers point wise. If we specifically talk, maybe be it CBSE, be it ICSE, it hardly matters because notes are going to give you an idea that okay fine, this is the whole paragraph and these are the maybe 5 or 10 pointers which I have to learn from it. You don't have to learn the whole paragraph. If we specifically talk about ICSE, it's all objective. The paper is all objective, be it for our higher grades or grade 10th or lower grades even. So when we get an objective paper, these pointers, they help us a lot. Okay? So you go to the page, make those pointers, highlight karke, write those pointers. For each page, you should have pointers. Like for example, a page is there and for that page maybe ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको 100 pointers बनेंगे. No, it can be maybe only 5 points from one page. If I may tell you, the introductory page 1 and 2, उसमें से hardly 2 or 3 points are there which are written in the notes. Otherwise, these pages are just introductory. Then the main pages, they start after maybe second or third page. And then maybe you get 10 points, 15 points from one page. Please jot them down at one place. So we'll start with point wise things. The first is when you are making the notes, please make a main heading and then start with the subheading. Like for example, circulatory system, the subheading would be maybe first blood. And then the parts of the blood, we start with RBCs, uske baare mein sab kuch. RBCs, everything about it, its lifespan, where is it formed, where is it destroyed, the diseases, everything about RBCs. Then we come to platelets and in the same manner we move further. Next is Please do not incorporate any paragraphs. I have seen a few notes which were made by the learners where they have incorporated paragraphs, but फिर कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ उसका. Notes basically should be more of objective rather than being subjective. Subjective तो आपके book के अंदर भी है. Next, very important point is that you can incorporate flow charts for different topics. जैसे for example, if you are doing a process, maybe you are talking about the circulation of heart, or one very important chapter in ICS is endocrine glands. For that also you can prepare flow charts. How do you make a flow chart? You start from the first whatever, like for example, if we are making for endocrine glands, suppose, ठीक है, you write all the endocrine glands, adrenal gland, thyroid gland, pancreas and this, and then underneath that arrow लगा के you can write कि what are the hormones secreted, उसका hypo हो जाए, hyper हो जाए secretion तो क्या diseases हैं. So you have everything at one page. So flowchart making is very helpful when you are preparing your own notes. I'll show you a few sample flowcharts also, what I generally make for my own reference. Then after you are done, like for example, suppose we are talking about circulatory system. I'm done with the notes of circulatory system according to me. Now give the heading, maybe reasoning questions. ठीक है, just write 1, 2 liners what all reasoning questions can be framed. ठीक है, then maybe the next part, locations. Write the locations, pointer location, मतलब maybe the location of testis, maybe the location of pancreas, maybe वो तो you just write the pointers. Now please leave 1 or 2 pages after making notes of one chapter. क्यों? Because I always suggest you that you should solve more of sample papers for a good revision. So when you are solving the sample papers, you will get multiple questions जो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आपने नहीं लिखा है कहीं पे भी. Now the pages you have left, the 2 pages you have left, वहां पे give the heading important sample paper का pointers and then start writing those pointers. Now what do you have? You have everything at one place. See, if I may just show you, if I have to make even a video, I make these pointers, I make these notes, I follow them. That makes things easy for me, so it's going to make things easy for you when you are preparing for your boards. Then diagrams, very 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 important. After you are done with everything, आपका एक चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया, सैंपल पेपर का जो आपने 2 पेजेस छोड़ दिए सैंपल पेपर के लिए. Now the diagrams. In every chapter there are at least maybe 2 to 3, इससे ज्यादा नहीं, 2 to 3 diagrams in all the chapters, and I have made a separate video for the important diagrams. So if you will go to the playlist where you have important tips for the papers वाला, उसमें बहुत सारे videos हैं, उसमें एक video है where I have talked about the important diagrams. Please go through that video. You will get to know कौन-कौन से diagrams important है. You can make them in your notes, and while you are practicing, you can practice it in your rough notebook. ठीक है, so this will also give you an idea. And if you are making it in a book, obviously mark the diagrams, tick mark the diagrams, and the notes are already there with the post-its. सारा notes आपका उसके अंदर है, आपने diagram mark किए हुए. Whenever you are revising, just take up your book, start revising, and then जैसे ही आप पेजेस से रिवाइज, नोट से रिवाइज कर रहे हो तो साथ में आपको बुक भी दिखती रहती है कि कुछ मिसिंग तो नहीं है, कुछ जस्ट, तो आपका डबल रिवीजन हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज point, effective point when you make your notes in the book. Fine. Then we have, okay, so these were the pointers which I wanted to discuss about the making of the notes. One, I'll just quickly recap and then I'll show you the sample notes. One is that you start with the heading, main heading and the subheadings. No paragraphs, only pointers to be included. Include every pointers per page. Then leave 2 pages for the pointers which you get from the sample papers, and lastly make the diagrams. ठीक है, if you are making it in a book, please keep your post-its handy. Paste the post-it wherever, on which page, wherever you are making the notes, write those pointers on the post-it and paste it in on the page itself. Mark the diagrams in the book itself for your easy reference. If still you have time till May, because your boards are going to happen in May for ICSE and CBSE both. So you have this February, March, April, months in between. You can easily make the notes, but still if you want that, okay fine, I should devote 100% time for my revision only, you can take the notes from me, you can buy the notes from me. I have made I show you those notes also, sample notes. I have pasted that link in the description box also. You can click on that link. There is a video which tells how you go about the procedure. आपको video नहीं देखना है तो there is a email address given. Just drop in an email for the notes. I will get back to you and tell you how and how you go about it. Now we will talk about the. I'll just show you quickly the sample papers. Just give me 1 second. Here. So these are some sample handmade notes. Now when you see those, you can see that I have used multiple colors. Plus I have used pointers. Fine. These notes are not for grade 10, so they are 12th notes, so you won't be familiar to those, but yes, of course I have made the diagrams as well. Now here you can see that this is a flow chart which explains the cell cycle with all the steps. और जो green में लिखा है वो G1 में क्या हो रहा है, S में क्या हो रहा है, G2 में क्या हो रहा है. So it is a flow chart which makes things very easy for anyone to understand. Here, as everything has been highlighted, whatever you feel that okay fine, this can be highlighted, please highlight those pointers. Herein, in this page, you can see that there is a flow chart which is explaining the whole female reproductive system. This is the whole female. This chapter has been removed from your syllabus, but I'm just showing you, just to tell you that how the flow charts. Now you can see that the female reproductive system parts are explained, ovary, funnel, fallopian tubes, uterus, साथ में उसके functions दिए हैं और whatever is important related to it, events taking place in the ovary, all the pointers are mentioned here with the diagram. So this is how you prepare your own notes so that everything is handy with you when you are preparing for your boards. I'll quickly show you my own notes. So when you see the notes here which I have prepared and the children, they generally buy from me. So here you can clearly see that I have given you all the pointers in a sequence with the diagrams, and you get everything at one place. Nothing is missed here. Whatever is important for your board point of board point of view, it's written there. But yes, of course, the notes are only available for ICSE students. So the learners who are going to appear in ICSE 2021 for grade 10th biology can drop in an email. It's not for CBSE, it's just for ICSE grade 10th as of now. So this is again, you can see that all the notes have been made in a very specific manner. So I would prefer you people make your notes or your own notes. But yes, of course, if you do not want to spend your time making the notes, rather you just want to buy them and just start learning, that's up to you. Grade 10th ICSE biology can drop in an email and get them. I have given you the most important tips and tricks for making the notes. I hope you follow all the tricks and make effective notes. Please, please, please write in the comments how were these tricks helpful to you. जैसे ही you start making, if you have any doubts, please write in the comment. I will answer your doubts as well, that if you are stuck somewhere, I can help you out. So please write in the comments that how do you like it, and have these tips being helpful to you, and did you make your notes or not. So thank you everyone. Be safe, keep sharing, liking, subscribing.